And then maybe because of life, no name, and I never had you now. Blah, Nipantin and Nipatias. Nancy, Messi, I'll be annoyed, a woman who answered what she, no, I did. A dear one, I know, one pa, Michelle, and Kawama, and your high five. Should they start around him? Whom you know him. And young men question me complaining, any probably cancel this time around, I did. And I am a bow. Precious news and anything as I'm why sad son. I'm got some job. If he has his own be near man. I had the Nipan or Banner de Bassas is your boy. And then Yakupon so mad the anchor, and our money dear all mad the anchor. Nammy really po, Nipan and Renipa. Mimi to more homo. Nipan and Nipentin and Nipatias. More homo, same posa, a cranny baby as simple on this card of Henna. Mimi just can meet me the Belmont. Opoku. Apakasao. Ah. Charlie, what permit to her? Casa baby and also. I mean, come on, so Tiabusas and nothing. Oh, and I'm a veteran. And I was saying, why I cast my Iddi. Boys in the boys in the can boys in the guess in the zoo. No much to say my Iddi, more who say my Iddi, I don't know maybe some now, or no, and no. If you moon didn't about me, no precious. You man, Okra fast, my man can't show. Precious now, would you to one so no. The girl is not pregnant. She is not pregnant, and I yes say, Ubina can't share me and Cassana Minako. I got tested again who say she's not pregnant. Precious on him, bro. She's a Cassano quite the fruit. Alright, then a pregnancy no coffee. Pregnancy was. That's the reason why right from the beginning, I'm a catcher was Opoku. Niawo can only fact be a anti guys. We are running away in card to me. Into name one was say, I say, honey, then. Precious, ye are running away in card man. Nay, tell me, M1 is here because I'm running him. Well, name on him. Why? On him. And I be a song, hammy. Killer. Be how? Say precious means and it's a young papa. Precious means any number. Unim, me shall say it. My year guana say means an answer and number. Listen, me shall say it as some. No, me yam shishim. Make us a yam shishim and I'm a boy. It's now a semi young Cassam bonnet pressure and I follow back near Kuhuniako. Me am in Nako, Yako tested again who say a negative. Into an answer quite a film. Now they all send Canipan. Precious news and Yamaso. Next, I was diverted. As a music plan B. You be how me no chance in me. You be how? Yeah. And no, me, person me on where you are so tone yaria. And I know you. Tone yaria. No, I'm not. Listen. You say me that type. May I some hammer coalition me be worth you as you come in the bill. And so who sounds so yet. Listen, we'll be an lie, sanamity. But I'm who is our semi noche. We are never so I mean count. It will be tremendous. Near we and a chess, I say, near we no. A bruise, I say, oh, one perception say this time around, Master Son. Until you will be tremendous, maybe a coffee panasson, maybe a walk on, maybe a nipanaco, catch ruby. On the meter. Yes, I saw a mini party and come in be man. You only promise me, say, me do too, and in one country. Promoting how you so bay. Listen, Dave, you say your bala, you a dear hammy. Me person will show me some men from Simia. We mean, say, we mean, catch them, what I catch them. Boy, precious. I did. Opoku, what's on you? We wouldn't send me see dark crown. Opoku, wouldn't send a precious, sit down, Makumaso. Sir, boy, me wouldn't come in whom you may, me, my. So, me a child. I Precious say, Jai me, much say, me dream who cry in tears, say, boy. Pardon? Precious. Why they? Which army, boy? Come again. We see I say, Precious, you are Jai. Ah. People pray no Jai. What wouldn't come in whom you may? Oh, me whom you may. Oh, no, I'm Jai, and not one. Boy, many Jai is saying, made a many precious Jai, bro. No, sir, crown me need to know. Minimum, my own or frame me a part of the Indiana or Pesaman for disrespect. I'm a call library. Okay, a call library. Brief bro. The make us why? Because I me call me for near your income. Why? Huh? Me call like you aba. Opoku. Never oh.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months ya meya.
Hey, Precious. Oh, what do you papa? Ha. Oh Lord. Have mercy upon.
What is it?
My name is you have to say that. And I'm a bashful, and I'm a school man in Amen.
Opoku, you know I don't like this. Oh, as time can, then you just start saying it.
Okay, and I'm a school man an hour way. My sister
Around what time? Hey. Cause yesterday I was at the hostel. To maintain ourselves now.
I remember hostel also. Maybe I know I'm Seer and Ubia Sana. I
was around.
You can't say. Matis is only Aroma. What is the truth for?
It's true. I thought you were holding your facts. Who Busami?
Oh, I saw you, me no dear. You said they cry, me no dear.
So I thought you are having your facts and you're coming to tell me.
I have the facts, but I don't have the maximum facts. So I want to get the complete facts.
No facts.
Facts. Facts.
Okay.
Yeah, that is why I want to confirm from you.
So we've broken up. So who
told you?
I didn't know.
Apre, me the same information the school had there.
Hey.
Na, apre, adi me do we are saying so a relationship. Tre, we are say adi mwa, adi betima teto apansam, adi betima sell life, adi betima dream coach, amwa dream coach, adi betima chon life for coach 5 years. A relationship. Apre, and found got two relationship mu biem. So open wasum bia. Cancel relationship through life, delay relationship through life. You free what didn't class be a free be relationship. So person life calling.
2 girls.
2
girls.
Which girls?
You have 2 girls. So this advice that you're giving me is valid.
Same relationship man.
Yes.
That be than a courtship.
Courtship.
And a hardship. It's a 2 courtship and hardship. But then a relationship.
So why then a courtship now why then a hardship?
Both of them. Maybe then the relation bike.
So when you say courtship, we are all the co-warrior.
But yeah, courtship on the me sure said they are warrior never. Apprentice, che, on say wow, obey a single on who ya efe. Oh yes, single. Why wouldn't they maybe can? Oh, where ya efe. What fun in an archer channel? Oh, what fun in archer? Who relationship you are who say on the relationship deba.
Meaning say the other way around.
Dappy. Who relationship master as a top and some the relationship them wow.
Sir.
One particular relationship on wow. Relationship Maya Basa.
But why are you saying that?
Relationship on wow.
Why?
Who call relationship? Who said there was no was here to tap on some.
But it doesn't belong when I walk as a why
Debbie. So relationship now Jai and the who to me a share.
To be Jai won't call for. Be Jai.
Major, not many relationship be a move. A play two am to me the
okay.
With the hawker.
So you are searching.
Yes,
I'm single, but I'm not searching.
Searching. A play Namem relationship dear. Maybe I mean from think
Barbie to say maybe if I get someone I can just link you up.
Sasa me type an.
Yeah.
Sasa o base me nyamene be date.
Yeah.
That's me type. I say
Opoku, you know what I'm talking about.
Oba type the coming now baze. As Oba say koko as a na fono so kakra o NP baze na fono uhuru kakra. As an anoye as o sa pink clips ni bi. As a ni mo du kakra bi ne se bia.
It's how can wash me.
O say me describe it. Oh, as in whole face or smiley effect. Oh, I saw bars.
Wait. I've remembered something. Maybe I know I can. Why? See that lady that I was asking you about? It's a pregnant lady, no? What's up? What's going on?
Me call library home.
Opoku, answer. Oh, we are now okay.
Me call library.
Opoku, don't do that.
Apparently, you why? If you can make call library, did
I tell you I met her?
Meba. Why? You be sharing you why?
Opoku.
I now be pregnancy once. Oh, them here my we are feeling be pregnancy once. Oh.
But I suspecting her.
Pregnancy once them then have been a film. Na funa oguru.
How be na tete mu frame na the style. Listen, ana be na tete mu frame ni pare.
Okay, na be me tete mu so.
There be say nkomo na oni me ni undi sa nkomo ni nti ana ho ye mo.
Oh, you chat base o me meet me ma wo. Oh, I want musie nkwa na jo meet me ma wo.
Ana me cho so ho na be me tete mu e a me mom din yes kura me time apia ba. Ba be na bobom din ana pa chese. Nti entem say me na me hye nremu wo hye. Me nkwa na me hye nremu a me hye.
Koshi date
awesome for style.
Koshi o de twaso na koshi.
Ka asem credit ya.
Asem wo betie. Na ma fra wa ba wo kasa ho.
Asem ntia nka wo frame ka me ma.
Kokko de koshi.
But me cho so me bobom.
Koshi
me hye bio.
Koshi
me se me hye.
Wo be hye.
Me hye.
Wo be hye.
Ana me se me hye. Ade, hye by force. Can the opeso kan na me hu de mo.
De tia me fra. Unu aba Brita. No maybe cause abla. One we are unu aba ntimi school.
Brita.
No say musa masemu. Obusu afọ de ne ba na ofọ de ba school ma say o meye mema say ma na say ofọ de ne ba school ma say o mesua de na da chi be onye ni petiti.
Ana wani kuma na me nwa no school ma de na oye. Enya adesua na osua.
Brita. Eye me de. Say wunim say unu aba na ye mema say na ye adesua na osua. Hwe. Boy na your friend come out wan no.
Why?
Sakwa na commercial break on kasem. Onne Brit agina ho a eni enyan e na nya Brit anso nko a o. Ene bu no ne Brit agina o china bu no ne Benes gina ho. Ene ade a boy ne ye no. Many prism na make
us sound. Onyame nu nkrem ka se bia ade a ye critical na make us was sound.
Be jani na egu. But ade e koso wo me ne unye free. Me ne undi sa. Intimi mama ni mu metwa ntronche because minim bi otimi yakɔhye ba minim bi otimi ye
we for I am fancy sao
yes
nti aja yakɔhye ba
but normal we dey normal
ana person o chese
obia ne Brita da bi usuma
why ne Brita na da usuma
emsa aka me nko a
why na ne Brita da usuma why
me say mani tua kama anu nwa ba na da o dua bi ase enye se bia obi si o meme se
meme nua Brita
oni Benes ada obi ase oni Brita ada obi ase sa boy ne de minim e fa under the tree onya du wadua na se awoye de odo beta
ade sa boy ndo no mahu no
hwe woni nua ne nkasa no ntwene wo fi sa boy no
obo frefre na de wo se wo story ye wo de
me kama ne se ma
story different wan ga sa nkomo different asema akakwa me esi so ma me o so be ka chem se ayi sa akwa betim ni mini akoda na akwa wo yan we de na wo betim ni akoda ana ntina agba esi ni ya no me be tie twa
bra ene chitwa ne ntem na nya sa de a unu aba ne de asa wo mode ne table tennis
e pe boys am o me bie kin de akotwa yi nyina anua we na betim bie kin
awosai okay so ne Brita ne gina ntino normal
na me time say wo manum a metimi de awi ama this time na e different no
bla
hwe awon no beji
de omu twa no
wan na twa no
omu twa no
hwe awe de
very come kwacha sama kwa mpanifo so kasa yem ne dam me de jimise mam yo
wana kasa sama
anya mpanifo
say we
kasa yem ne gam
na ndo say tetebe
jimi be enya tetebe jimi be
na say kura de akwa we a wo be ka so no na family akwa na we ma na king be na da ni tirim
key bay oh you kasa ya mole sa le we
na is onim king aba boys ni de every ni
key bay
o ya no ma se da to ka ma na ma mo watwika ne be 1 month
no ma sa be jo ma de
wo wi no ma be jo ma de hey is it why smart
e ma no so mu nsan san this time around boys ni do ma de no e ku pe ni dupe o
e simple
but me grow trim
de oba kan na de nyame nu
many be sem bla money na ho na fa na si form
memfa
me se money na ho
memfa
de uni o trofo na se dance ni wa brochi for ni to form se hu se omugina ho no ma bra de for ni to form
na mdi mani to soro kra na ye de na mdi mani ato form ja masa bibie ni ho why
unya nche o
de me ko
afi na akutwa
me ko twa to so ja
ti me frɛ na unya nche
na mfa na me bobo
entina na wona me nko ya no because one pa kasa me
ka me bo anka ma bo dada
ana mte sa unya nche ntia
we na shish bi na akofa ba me twa to so we de new one
we de oni mu we ye wo mu de ne de we unim we mu chen obi a wo ya
yo gringo
ye o gringo
yo gh ana edosun amnesia
ana de wudi
ka na hu sa amnesia
oh na de say de amena mfoshe
ehye
okay e bi te se wo ana de wudi ka ka no
gh go
aziz o se wa ashish
grabber
ana
me ko tobacco na de afra yi no ti ne me ko oh she de me shebra na wo hwe mani na se we na me didum
woni ase
wi Mashia minya baby ndum no.
Na dum no ani ase.
Bra ntu de me shim.
Mati wini uni na me nkwahye why?
Keka mo bi nti wa na ode na.
Oh na ta o she mo bia hu so o she na nyefe. Mo bia hu so o she na nyefe.
Bia ma simple bia.
Wini ala wini senior man.
Do ya me ya ma wo.
O she.
Me penkwana me nyo the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya me pese me come any months
no bra apart from say many so ehye ya si we me nya namfosem ohun se many adamfo we na mo ne adamfo we na hu de bia ye me nko a because adwene na da mitirim no anytime e pese adwene sika e pese be dwene bibia foforo ama minimo unim se wiase we mu nyina edi tuo si uso se dey won kan wa no kore ba mati asembi asem na matene de yi anu yi odi ene kama
sure asa kama dey meet
ama odi ene kama
nyame hwe ana what do
ama wankasa wo ye style bi ye betimi wodi nkomo sisi a ensu yen kohwehwe mu no na ye no kure why won sa so wo no adwin bi da wotiri ma episode bi ti memeboa me bisa wo
na me kan na hwe
no kure be na wo ka no kure ne wai me so de ne kama
nyame hwe no
enye wo hwe no ana ya won ne nam no
Brit when I'm in nam
ama me mpa nam fusam o maka kire wo Bema oba de only Bema father for say.
They don't say na say na me ko pregnant one na ye.
Yi mi na se mpaboa de assign woni mu ate na won kwan.
Say na me ko pregnant one na ye be twene edem ko.
Dent na won ko prep. Dent na won ko. Ye do ba me do ba school ma se be ye dey.
Na say o ti wani ayo. Wa wo mi se me. But it is so sure said in the course.
Mate. Maninya sa why? Say I am for friends with benefit.
There be benefits in for.
Why? Bibia anye bibia bibi nye bibi why? Come into see ya. Na de wo school mu anokoso na ye namfosem. Masa obetim ni adamfo atena se aka asem owia no afa akire no akodi nkomo different. Na de nsua namfofuom. Na de tena ne jimi ye namfosem. Wate? Namfosem na be why say adoja na bonsa no se tufu no wantia obehu wate bibia na me bana mitimi nya no ho asem ha na mitimi nya no asem ho adai
enya no crying na otime ho asem a hom di kan baby sam na wo konku
enya me
hwe no ne ho ofred we nice boy
so me na me kan boy no cry fan boy tika me cry ni wo bibia kwa ka me cry ka ha me so I'm just me person me confirm me.
Mempe onya me hwe kra mempe no.
Ompe o. Ene ma ne mpe kra. Oi. Yes, I'm it is a wapedia. Wakopede ene enso ye be hye ne ma. Oi. Ana person wo kyerem so wo adwen so sen. Ah? Ana wo so me nua no.
Nti akwa ne say yampa be.
Oh, enyampa because ye mistake say kwa yampa me ne wo. Etim tie firi so. Me mo hunyansa. Ate. Eso wonya bibi da nensa. Me boa. Na mana ye sei.
De me bia anya se menya de me bia anya wo fe bra.
O ho ben too much. Minim sa ankora ne ye de ato ase bia. Ade. Who you de too much? Oba ba ko hu you de sa. Ah? E mema de empani oba ne ho ye ne do. Hu ye de de enso ye de wo ho se ye be ya ma wo. Me ya ne nka wo so hu de bia me si pem ma me si ye ma asem. O fie. Hwe ma asem ma me ye o fie me for ba we ni meja no me for ba we ni meja no. E wo so usua me.
Na ntina me so me ye bi so
Jimmy. Na me ye. O me de o kosin. Me de o kosin.
Na some so me inform ko Aroma de ni kosin he. Some so me use no.
Hey, me
To my boy. Why what's what's up?
Karma. I came to ask a question and I need an answer. I mean a straight one, please. What do you have to do with Britta? Karma.
Yeah.
What's going on between you and Britta?
There's nothing going on between Britta and Aroma.
Karma, you're my friend, and listen, when I heard it, I didn't want to believe because Karma can do this to me. So I have to come. This is bro to bro. Feel free and talk to me. And then of course want to Britta. Feel free.
Aroma, what have you heard?
Everything.
And what is the everything? Because there's nothing going on between Britta and I. I don't get it. Besides, I knew that you guys are still together, so.
No. With that crowd, they trouble because me, I don't have anything to do with it. But the thing is, are you guys dating? Come on. Hey. You are dating. You guys are dating.
Aroma, what do you want me to say? Tell me, what do you want me to say?
I want you to tell me the truth. That's why I'm talking to
you. Yeah. Britta and I, we have a thing, yeah. I mean... Yeah.
Hey, come on. Listen, because I was wondering how you guys saw me and you ignored me. You pretended as if you didn't even see me.
Saw you where?
You know what I'm talking about. When you were refreshing yourself over there, you saw me, Karma. I know you. You saw me, but you ignored.
But you also saw me. Why didn't you holler me?
Hey, Karma. You are a bad friend. Let me tell you this. Point blank. I'm telling you, you are a very bad friend.
Aroma. Yeah, because we are friends and we are cool. I don't want to disrespect you in any manner like that. Aroma, during those times that you were dating Britta, I was also like on the side though. I just didn't want to tell you anything out of respect. I mean, yo. Forget me, Aroma. Forget me.
Oh, wow. Wait. So when I was dating Britta, you were also seeing her?
I mean, it's normal, isn't it? Yo, like, why do you want to hold on to the girl forever?
Hey, Karma. Listen to me. I think you've forgotten. The same person who come to me and tell me to hold the girl tight. The same person who come to me and tell me to treat the girl better. The same person who come to me to tell me to hold the girl because she loves me.
And what did you do?
What did I do?
What did you do? You let her go, didn't you? You did. You let her go. And now I'm claiming ownership. What is this all about, Aroma?
Well, listen. I didn't come here to fight you. I came to wish you well. Because the thing is, you don't know where you are now. You going out with that girl, you don't know what you've taken upon yourself.
Aroma, I know Britta. And I love her. You understand?
You what?
You can't tell me anything, Aroma.
You love her. You didn't just say you love her.
I'm invested now. I'm invested.
Come on. You are telling me that you love her.
Yeah, Aroma.
All the best.
Yeah.
Well, but the thing is, we can't be friends anymore. We can't be friends anymore because you've shown me that I have to watch my back whenever I'm doing anything. Yeah, you know. You are the real definition of you gotta watch your back.
Hey, Aroma. Listen, if you don't want to be friends with me, cool.
Oh.
So, like, I mean, if you don't want to be friends with me anymore,
we are done, yeah. Because trust me, I can't be friends with you.
Even I was the one who wanted to come to you to tell you that we are done.
Oh, really?
Our friendship is over. Like, bro.
No problem. But you have to return my iron. What? My iron is with you.
Your iron?
You have to return it. Come on.
Your iron is not with me. Maybe go and ask Precious.
Hey, bro. Hey, you listen to me. Come on. I'm not playing with you. The thing is, I am not playing with you. I don't want you as a friend anymore. So anything, what for me, baby, I return it.
Does it look like I'm playing with you?
Today, 6:30. I need to see that.
Your iron is not with me. Go and ask Precious, bro. Perhaps you gave it to her or something and you've forgotten and you think it's with me. Your iron is not with me, Charlie.
Huh. You've surprised me, bro.
Don't be surprised. This is how I've always been.
Well, all is well. You can leave. That's why I called.
But Aroma, see, I would like to tell you something. If you see Brit and I anywhere doing our thing, I mean, see that you pass and say nothing. Or listen, like just turn a blind eye to whatever that you've seen.
Have you forgotten that I'm your sinner?
I know. That's why I've calmed down for you. And
No, you're not calm. You're talking to me as if, I don't blame you. Yeah. I don't blame you, though. Yeah. I put the blame on myself, bro. But all is well. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey. Britta. Hey, daddy. So you were seeing my friend. All is well.
Hey.
Hey, Britta.
Why?
Me why? Would you phone na be a calculator and I mean calculator the most? Britta, I am not joking with you.
Can't you picture me? Like me being a calculator then.
Hey, Britta. So all this while you were doing me daddy, and you knew what you were doing.
Aroma. What's wrong with the time at Chem? So daddy somehow they bano. Like what's up?
Hey, I don't know when they come on to.
Training and Tamari.
Hey, Britta. It's now naming nam. Look at the love I showed you, Britta. Look at the kind of love I showed you.
Aroma.
It's now only Madame for my friend.
What's happening, Anna? What's happening?
Good. In fact, wonderful. What's it that Messiah Pearl, right? Meaning say one kasa utimunim say we are no more, right? Good, perfect. Messiah Pearl, yamanin kahwa. Now, Britta, so much. Last 2 weeks, you were on my nerves. Umami Tiesika. Emma, the school authorities sell the kabi. Wonderful. Come on, I'm approaching now. You think say be a me pel back into my approaching. Now me person me confirm me. Say no question no cause I now. Britta, thank you very much. So mama who say me is stupid. Now, a can be a mabo. Ama. So when you see kana ma Seer, enya so now. Seer.
Skabay.
Me see. Me ba e be a want. E ka be a me mabo since I about school ha. Seer me no dina say ama when you see kana ma me a.
Me
fucking
what's any time the out person me kick me kai wo niama bi time awo wunti me kwa mat say me feri ye kakra bia Britta shamwa ha say kakra bia yankwa me so me jimi ma fall na me ne wokọ ni na matie afiri the way I will see so okay hotel honom styles na wuyi ni na
shit hotel hotel na uti aka no she was no kasa go na me no ama that was then listen to me since that time no kasa na my dia nyawo na tie me then time no kasa na se my dia was who said we were in a relationship. Now you are not my girlfriend. I don't even regard you as my ex. I don't don't know you. And see, mind how you talk to me.
I don't care.
Scanty,
now what time and I will put to so no one I will kite.
Huh? Rita, so one face Kana ma. Ube Jimmy Iddi, that's what I'm telling you. You think I'm joking, right?
Now, who be so carefree when I see me be a baby.
Oh. Me my order.
Now I told that John life, I need too much.
Che.
Why am I trimping be on me? Like
me a John.
Yeah, what's up?
Me a John. Thank you, someone who said me a John. Now, ma, listen. All this behavior, when I want your John, you see this behavior that you are in. Oba crumple wanga sa uye muba wa wuni baby owo.
Oba.
Enye me ba. I pity you.
Pity who me? There be o, e ma me wonya omobo. Ma wanka sa wonya wo homobo. Me, my ma there be sa asem le kwa de nka bi nche me da.
Ma waste me ho niama. E na ye me ya. Ma waste me ho nsuo. Ma waste me time. Ma waste me bibia. Going on with you, ma waste me bibia. Listen, there's a reason why I'm not my J. Sabe gana me kase nigga we. Be opemasim wo enye se bia o time. Because baby bia me kwa me hu se emwa me no wo se me my J. Entokwan. Nigga no nim se wonye. Ba na nka nche me se me umwa me.
Mimi nuane nim se me menye.
Now you see oba no way.
Emu dia na fa ho. Me ba no mi hu no ke wo be ye dey.
Now this family now you don't know us. You don't know us. Say wow ni baby wow ze. Minim say wo wutimi wudim nipa wa fa oba no. Wudim family we ntia odi edi agro. I'm telling you.
Betwe me abegina say wo ji usika.
Ama ochina no pa. Me hia me sika say wo wunim me number na ya me send this so no.
Maika no aka che ne say e ka wa bo me hu bia no wo ji. Mfu wani better time in the so. Dai.
Ko.
Wo kwai.
Ko ode ko.
Aden ko. Who how on saying? Ma use you ko. Ma use wa ko.
Why?
Bye.
You have to pity yourself.
Bye.
Like this.
Pity me. Bye. Bye. Ma use wa o ka say hwe. Me mo ya me dena na mic wan kan che o. Wa ko se senfufu nsuko.